Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about how to factory reset Google Home. It's actually a very simple process. All you have to do is to turn it around, and right in the back you will see this flashing light. On top of the flashing light you have picture of this little microphone. So all you have to do is to just keep it pressed for a few seconds until you hear a beep and the circle of lights on the top gets completed. Here we go. Press a microphone,
You're about to completely reset Google Home. To cancel, release the button.
and here we go. That's all. Your Google Home is factory reset. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.
Oi, learn oi.